Hi, this is John with ProCare Services of Mission Viejo. One of the most common things that the homeowners always ask, what insurance company should they insure their home with? Today, I'm going to talk about slab leaks and insurance companies. Slab leaks are a huge concern in Orange County because they happen very often. In my opinion, they're one of the most common issues that we have out here. A slab leak is where a pipe is either in the slab, the foundation of your house, or it's underneath your slab. Most insurance companies out there cover slab leaks, but it's up to you to make sure that they do. Some insurance have taken the position of not covering leaks when a pipe is underneath the slab. If I had a family member that was insured by, let's say, State Farm, I would have them call, and better yet, I would have them email their agent right away and ask that question. If they had a slab leak, would they be covered for the damage caused by the water if that pipe was underneath their slab? Not in the slab, but underneath your slab. That would be one of the biggest things that I would do. Make it very clear on your email that if the pipe is under the slab, because most pipes that are in a slab are under the slab. Ask State Farm if you will be covered by that. I'm not an agent and I'm not an adjuster, of course. I'm a water damage restoration contractor that's been in the business for quite a long time. We dry out many homes every year that have had thousands of dollars in damages from slab leaks. Do not take this lightly. Make sure that you're covered if your pipe is underneath your slab. Make sure you get it in writing. Slab leaks, like I said, are a big thing, and when they happen fast, they're unexpected, and they cause a lot of damage to many thousands of dollars in damage. And I just wouldn't want you to be stuck paying that bill if you do have an insurance company that does not cover that. Thank you for watching. John with ProCare Services, Mission Viejo. You can reach us at 949-463-7054.